Once there was a man in a remote village in East Africa who had 3 sons. He owned 17 camels. He became old and died. His 3 sons, after their father's funeral and finishing other rituals, sat together to have divided the camels among 3 of them, the only inherited property their father left. They found the will of their father, which said, half of the camels should go to the eldest son. 1/3 of the camels should go to the middle son, and 1/9 of the camels should go to the youngest son. There was an issue. The problem is, they tried to calculate eldest son half into 17 is equal to 8.5 camels. Middle son 1/3 into 17, 5.67. The youngest son 1/9 into 17 is equal to 1.89 camels. They could not divide camels into fractions. They thought for a long time and found no solution. At this point, I request you to press the play button to pause and think to solve the problem for a few seconds. Then they thought of approaching an elderly woman in the village who was considered to be wise and solve their problem. The 3 brothers approached the elderly woman and explained their issue. She thought for a while and asked them to bring all their 17 camels. They went home, brought their camels to the elderly lady. Then she told them, I am adding one of my own camels to your 17, and did the same. Now the total number of camels are 18, and then started distributing in accordance with their father's will. Eldest son, half into 18, 9 camels. Middle son, 1/3 into 18 is equal to 6 camels. Youngest son, 1/9 into 18, 2 camels. The total number, 9 plus 6 plus 2, 17 camels that their father left. The 3 brothers asked the women, what about the remaining 1 camel? The clever wise women said, take your camels and go. I know 1 camel is left. That camel is for me towards my fee. What does this say? Sometimes a creative solution or a small adjustment can solve a seemingly impossible problem. Wisdom often lies in thinking outside the obvious numbers. Justice and fairness can sometimes require clever problem solving rather than rigid arithmetic.